the second part of our first chapter of super senses. So watch this video carefully and note down the important facts from the video. We will discuss about the sloth. Sloth, the lazy one. Why lazy? Because out of 24 hours in a day, sloths sleep 17 hours. That is more than half of one full day. It looks like a bear, but it is not. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping, hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it eats enough leaves from the tree, it moves to another tree nearby. Sloth live for about 40 years, and in the time it moves around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Now, see how the sleeping time of the sloth is shown in the circle. The circle is divided into 12 fractions, that is 12 parts, and each part means 2 hours. So first let us count the time for which the sloth is awake. So each triangle or each fraction is denoted by 2 hours, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now count sleeping time for the sloths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the sloth sleeps for 18 hours and wakes for 6 hours. Okay. Similarly, you have to count the sleeping time of some animals like cow, a python, giraffe, cat, right? So now cow will sleep 1, 2. Okay, so cow will sleep 4 hours, python sleep for 18 hours, giraffe sleeps for 2 hours, cat sleeps for 12 hours. Okay. Now we have already discussed about tigers. They have more than one super sense, yet they are in danger. First of all, we will list all the super senses which tigers have. First is super sense of sight. Tigers can see 6 times better at night than us. They can see very far away, that too at night. When it is very dark, they can see very clearly. They have super sense of hearing. They can make out the difference between rustling of leaves and animals moving on grass. Tigers can move their ears in all directions and catch sound from all around. Okay, from all the directions. They have super sense of smell. A tiger can recognize the smell of urine of other tigers when they can avoid going into other tigers area. Tigers can make also different sounds for different purposes, like if they want to scare someone or if they want to call out for the friends, they can make out different type of sounds. They also have super sensitive whiskers. These are the whiskers. Okay, tiger's whiskers can sense movement in the air and can find its prey. So in spite of having so many super senses, why they are in danger? Because the number of tiger are decreasing, and if you don't save them, and after a few years all the tiger will disappear and the future children won't be able to see tigers. What are the dangers faced by the tigers? Hunters and poachers are the biggest threat to tigers. Poachers means people who hunt animal and sell their body parts to make money out of it. Hunters and poachers kill tigers and sell their beautiful skin at their high cost. Okay. Second reason is deforestation, that is cutting of trees from forest illegally. Okay, from a large area of forest. So deforestation means cutting of trees from forest, right? So here are few things made out of animal skin. Tigers are killed for their skin, elephants are killed for their tusk, rhinos are killed for their horns, snakes, crocodiles are also killed for their skin, and musk deer are killed for their musk. So now question is how to save animals? Who will save them? Our government will save them. To protect the animals, our government has made some forest as protected area. Some of them are Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Ghana National Park in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. There are some famous national parks in India. So some famous national parks are Corbett National Park that is in Uttarakhand, Kanha National Park that is in Madhya Pradesh, Bandipur National Park that is in Karnataka, Nagarhole National Park that is also in Karnataka, Sasangir National Park that is in Gujarat, and Simlipal National Park that is in Odisha. So these are the most important national parks of India. Okay, so this is the end of part 2 for our chapter 1. So I will give you worksheet and some home assignment and some notes also, so you have to write in your EVS notebook. Thank you.